Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce on your own. First, you'll need to confirm your state's residency rules, which often require living there for a specific period. Next, collect all necessary paperwork, including your marriage certificate and detailed financial statements. It's crucial to decide early if your divorce will be uncontested, meaning you and your spouse agree on all terms, or contested, which involves disagreements. Once you've gathered your information, the next step is to get the right forms. You can usually find these on your state court's website or at the courthouse. Carefully fill out each form, ensuring all details are correct to avoid delays. After completing them, take your forms to the court clerk for filing. Be prepared to pay a filing fee, which can vary, but fee waivers are often available if you qualify. After filing, you must legally notify your spouse that you've initiated divorce proceedings. This is called service of process. There are strict rules for how this must be done, often involving a sheriff or a professional process server. Do not attempt to serve the papers yourself. Once your spouse has been served, the person who served them must complete and file a proof of service form with the court. The final stage involves completing any necessary court appearances or mediation. If you have an uncontested divorce, you might only need one brief hearing. For contested cases, more sessions may be required to reach an agreement. Once all terms are settled, you'll submit a final divorce decree for the judge's approval. After the judge signs this document, your divorce is officially finalized, and you can move forward.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.